What is up, everybody? Filming a cooking uh, thing here today. I'm going to be making a special dish, um, special breakfast, really. Of basically, I'm gonna make some eggs. I'm gonna make basically put up spaghetti with the eggs, and I'm gonna put something in the eggs. And don't mind the background. My son's watching Mickey Mouse Playhouse. And so we're going to set this up real nice here. So, as you see the pan, you're going to need 2 eggs to do this. So we just crack them, really. It doesn't matter like how you crack them. Now for seasonings, what we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna get some seasonings, and then to do this dish, you're gonna need that's Everglades and lemon pepper seasoning. Now you're gonna lightly do that, season it like this. And I mean, not too much. Less is better. And now this. But don't season it too much because it's really salty. And we're just gonna just crumble this on. And I mean crumble. Like, don't sit there and just like destroy it. Don't overwhelm the egg. This is a new recipe that I'm trying. I don't know what this is going to be called, but okay, now that that's done, we're going to turn this on, and I'm going to put the top on it. And just let this like cook up while you guys watch. This is a special dish. I haven't made this dish before. I've done similar dishes with eggs, but I've done a lot of egg dishes. And basically, we're gonna have spaghetti with this, and I'll do a taste test to let you know how good this tastes. In the meantime, I'm getting some spaghetti. And the spaghetti is going to go with it on the plate. No, I did not make this spaghetti. My wife did, and it's really damn good. So, while this is cooking up, there are other variations you can do. Onions, you can do. I did onions, bell peppers, meat. This is like a different type of egg. Okay, we have the spaghetti here. I'm not going to get too much. Yet again, it's about portion control. You have to realize how much portion control is compared to everything else in the world. There's really not much that you can mess up these eggs, but I mean, you can take a look at that. That's like pretty much, it's gonna boil up real fast. So, while that's doing that, I'm trying to think, is there anything else to mention for cooking this wise? I've been making these eggs for years. I just started incorporating different stuff into the egg. This is chicken. Meat I've done You name it. Anything I've done in this type of dish. And I'm not heating up the spaghetti because spaghetti, I'm going to heat that up and then eat this with that. That'll be a separate video to where I do that. Look at that. I don't know how this is going to taste. I don't know. I hope it tastes good. So this will be the taste test. Probably this video get demonetized maybe because of the music playing, but I don't care. Now, when cooking this, you're supposed to flip it. This is an over easy, over easy. Because I've always cooked my eggs this way, or either I'll cut the yolk, but I didn't cut the yolk this time to show y'all exactly how I prepare these type of eggs. These are over easy anything eggs. And I've been making these dishes for years in the mornings. I've been making these type of egg dishes for years. So this isn't new to me. And, you know, this is my spatula. And as you can see, when they get white at the tops, like when the yellows get white and they wax over, that's when you flip them. You can flip them now, but I feel like mine are not ready. I have to show you the perfect way. The yellow is still like not quite there yet, but it will be. Let's try this one small. This smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. Maybe it is ready. And just like that, you flip it. Now, here's the other key. You let it sit. You don't sit there and let it, merculate. The next video you guys see will be of me eating. I know you're finished. It's my son. Hold on, Bubba. The next video you'll see is me eating, and I will give you all a taste test review of how good and delicious. Look how delicious that looks. That looks damn good. Alright, that is it that is the finished product. Next video will be taste testing this beautiful stuff and taste testing the spaghetti for my breakfast. Thank you all for watching. Next video will be up soon. Love y'all. Peace.